Discover how chili powder is made from fresh red chilies to fine, flavorful spice. In this video, we take you inside the complete chili powder manufacturing process, showing every step from harvesting, drying, cleaning, grinding, and packaging. Learn how factories turn raw chilies into the vibrant red powder used in kitchens worldwide. Whether you're curious about food processing, spice production, or how everyday ingredients are made, this video gives you a clear and satisfying look behind the scenes, perfect for food lovers, students, and anyone interested in modern manufacturing techniques. Watch till the end to see the full journey of chili powder, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing factory process videos. Chili powder goes through a surprisingly detailed process before it ends up in your kitchen. Here's a clear step-by-step breakdown of how it's made in factories and even small-scale setups. 1. Harvesting the chilies. Fully ripe red chilies are picked from farms. The ripeness matters because it affects color, flavor, and heat level. 2. Drying. Fresh chilies contain a lot of moisture, so they are dried to preserve them and concentrate flavor. Sun drying traditional. Chilies are spread under the sun for several days. Machine drying industrial. Hot air dryers speed up the process. 3. Cleaning and sorting. Dried chilies are cleaned to remove dust, stones, stems. They're also sorted by size and quality for stem removal. The stems are removed because they don't add flavor and can affect texture. 5. Roasting optional. Some manufacturers lightly roast the chilies to enhance aroma, deepen flavor. This step depends on the type of chili powder being made. 6. Grinding. The dried chilies are ground into a fine powder using machines. Industrial grinders ensure a consistent texture, sometimes done in stages for finer results. 8. Quality testing. Manufacturers check for color consistency, spice level heat, moisture content, hygiene standards. 9. Packaging. Finally, the chili powder is packed in airtight bags, bottles, or sachets. This keeps it fresh and prevents moisture from getting in.